Hi everyone, my name's Mehluli Malisa Batakathi. I am from Zambia. For the past 11 months, I have been a Humphrey Fellow at the American University Washington College of Law. I must say my experience has been nothing short of amazing. I got to do a lot of stuff as a Humphrey Fellow, and it appears the Humphrey Fellows are a big deal around this place. So I got to do a lot, and I learned a lot from the faculty members, the faculty hosts, and of course the students. So I was part of the Marshall Brennan Constitutional Law Moot Court competition as a judge, and I got to judge the semi-final. How cool is that? And I was also part of the, again, Marshall Brennan Constitutional Literacy Project fair, which was held at AUWCL, which basically included high school students coming to learn about constitutional law. And I was privileged to lead a panel with two of my colleagues, Satish from India and Shaisa from South Africa. We got to interact with students from around DC who were interested in international law. I also took part in the SJD roundtable, where I had the privilege to moderate on one of the panels to do with environment and climate change. Again, as part of my experience, I got to be invited as a guest lecturer by Professor Mokadri from the School of International Studies. On main campus, I led two classes in conjunction with Human Rights Watch, and another one with my colleague from Kenya, Florence. It was an amazing experience. We got to interact with the students of international relations and to interact with one of the distinguished scholars like Professor Mokadri. As part of my PA, my professional affiliation, I was attached to the American Bar Association Center for Human Rights under the Justice Defenders Program, Sub-Saharan Africa, where we did a lot of work supporting justice defenders in Sub-Saharan Africa. Highlights of my work there included writing a communication to the United Nations Rapporteur on freedom of expression and freedom of speech regarding the arrest of journalists, arrest and harassment of journalists in Somaliland, which was a whole new experience for me and exposed me to the UN system and the UN human rights system. And of course, we got involved in volunteer work in my backyard. Also did Adams Morgan Porch Fest, and a whole lot of other stuff. So I would say my time here at AUWCL has been amazing and once in a lifetime experience, and I'm going to miss it.